Good day, and welcome to a Massasoit Community College training video. Today, we'll be going through the new Faculty Self-Service Banner 9 participation reporting process. You first need to open a supported browser, which includes Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. This does not work with Internet Explorer. Log into your My Massasoit account. And once you're logged in, go ahead and click on the Faculty tab at the top. You'll then, in the center channel, click on the Faculty Self-Service link, which will bring you to the Self-Service Banner 9 page. And now this is your main Faculty Services page with all your important links included. For participation compliance, we're going to click on the grade entry page. Note, this new grade entry page now contains both the final grades and the participation compliance rather than two separate pages that Banner 8 did. If this defaults to your final grades page, go ahead and just click on participation compliance to the left and it will bring up those courses for you. You can see a list of all of your courses that are eligible for participation reporting at this time. For instance, if you're doing full semester reporting, you will not see your accelerated session reporting here until participation reporting is open for accelerated session. You can sort any of these columns as you would like. So you can sort by subject, section number, title, however you'd like, just by clicking on these little arrows next to the column. You can also hold your mouse down on the column and move it anywhere you'd like if you want to resort columns that way. So now click on the line of the course that you would like to enter participation for. You can single click or double click, it doesn't matter, it will open for you. The student roster now appears below the list of courses, not on its own separate page like Banner 8. You'll see drop-down fields for the participation status, as well as the last attend date. You need to choose the participation status for each student with the following new options. CP is currently participating. The student is participating, they haven't stopped, and you do not need a last attend date because they are currently participating. SP, this is the student participated in class at some point in the semester, but they have stopped participating. This status you need to enter a last attend date for, or last participation date as we use. So you can click on the little icon on the right. It will actually bring up the calendar for you, and you can choose the date that the student last participated, and it will add the date in for you. This is much easier than Banner 8, where you had to make sure that your format of the date was clear. The last option is never participated. The student has never participated. You've never seen them. And this does not need a last attend date because they never attended. Once you have entered all of the statuses for all of your students, go ahead and click on the Save button. This does require you to submit a participation status for every student. And then you click Save. Now, the great part about this new one is there's a very clear indicator here in the top right that your save was successful. Previously, we had to have different areas with an indicator of save, but this one makes it clear. Green check mark, save is successful. Now, you'll also notice on the very top area here that your grading status now shows as completed. So you submitted all of the grades for all of the students in your course, and it's now complete. This is a way for you to see another clear indicator that your participation reporting for that course is done. Now, while participation compliance reporting is open, you can always change the status for any of these students. Perhaps the student stopped participating, but they have spoken to you and you have agreed to allow them back into your course. You can then change this SP to CP for now currently participating, remove that last attend date, and save that as well. So now that student is back in your course and we will not be withdrawing them for non-participation. Now, what happens if you start your participation list but you are not sure about the status for one student, so you want to go look it up. You can save these statuses that you have and leave that one blank for now by clicking save. If you'll notice on the top left-hand side where that complete was, it changes to an in progress. This shows you that you have entered some statuses, but you have not yet finished. This is another good indicator that maybe you thought you entered all your statuses, but one was accidentally missed, or you still need to go back to finish this. This is a great way to check on that. Notice how it was complete, but as soon as it had a missing field, it changed to in progress. So this is, again, a way to show that you have done all of your reporting. You can put that status back in, you can save it, and now it shows as completed. Additionally, you notice I haven't started reporting on this class, and it shows that it's not started. There are no statuses, there are no last attend dates. I still have to do that here. If you attempt to put in a date, let's say we are going to do stopped participating here, and they stopped participating the 29th, 9/29/21, and we want to move it. Notice that, first of all, the date automatically formats to the date we need rather than having you enter it and having an error. But it also shows you that the student has not withdrawn from the class. This shows that although you entered a last attend date, that student is technically still in your course. So you can see that there. This is another great indicator. Lastly, if a student has withdrawn from your course, they are still going to show up here. The difficulty with these courses when they are fully online courses is that when they withdraw, you lose all of their information from Canvas. So you can't necessarily see when the student last participated. In this case, if the student has withdrawn, they're still going to show on your list. You're not sure what to do with them. You are actually just going to add the SP and just remove that last attend date because you don't know what that last attend date was, and that's okay. So, John Coffey here, he withdrew last week. He did stop participating because he withdrew, and you don't know the last date, so just go ahead and don't put that last attend date there. And then the registrar's office will evaluate this, see that the student is withdrawn, and then he's all set. So we're going to save that. That saves is successful, and this course is done. So you're going to do that for all of your courses that are there. And when all of these grading statuses show completed, you are done. Now, to submit participation for a different course, all you're going to do is go ahead and click on that course. This has been the training video for Faculty Self-Service 9 participation reporting, and there'll be more to come.